So the second half of Ode to Joy, right hand, fingers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and notes middle C, D, E, F, G. And we go by finger numbers, 2, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 1. And the notes this time, D, D, E, C, D, E, F, E, C, D, E, F, E, D, C, D, E, E, F, G, G, F, E, D, C, C, D, E, D, C, C. Okay, and again for the rhythm, for those of you who'd like to be able to count it, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, and 3, 4, 1, 2, and 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, and 3, 4. Okay, now the left hand is from low C, D, E, F, G. So again our two black keys, C to the left. So 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now for most of this we'll be playing 5 and 1, either together or singly. So just to see when the left comes in, it'll come in like this. So 5 and 1, then just 1, 1 again, and see if you can try this, 5, 3 and 1, and 1 again, so line 1 again, C and G together on the left, G on its own, and again, then C, E and G, G again, and again. So it'll sound like this with a bit of practice. Okay, line 2, 5 and 1 again, 1, 1 again, 5, 3 and 1 again, 1 again, and 5, both C's together. So the note names this time, C and G, G, and G again, C, E and G, G, and low C. Okay, for the next line it's mostly finger 1. So 1, 1 again, and 1 again, 1 again, and 1. Okay, and the same as line 1. And the line 2 ending, 5, 3 and 1 this time. So just the last line again with the numbers. 5 and 1, 1, 1, 5, 3 and 1, 1, 5 and 3 and 1. Okay, finally, I'll listen right through the tune, left hand and right hand. Okay, Ode to Joy, this time with a more elaborate left hand. So, we'll just go through it line by line. 5 and 1 on the left, along with 3 or E on the right. 1, 1, 5, 3 and 1. 1, 5 and 1 again. 1, 1, 5, 3 and 1. 1. So far the same as the simpler version, but now let's see the changes in this line. So 1 starts us off. 1 again. 1 again. Now we cross over to the very next note, the black note, the middle in the group of 3. And then we play the very next note, the white note, with our thumb. Then we play the bottom in the group of 3 with finger 3. And 2 here. So let's just run through that bit a few times. So 1, cross over to the very next black key, the next white key, bottom black key in the group of 3 with 3, and the next white key with 2 on its own. So we'll do that little bit up to speed. And let's just look at the left on its own. 1 on G. So 1, very next note, down to the bottom black key in the group of 3 with 3, and the very next white note again. So and together again. Now we move our left hand up to middle C, thumb on C, and we go 2 on B flat, black key, 3 on the very next white note, which is A, little fingers on F. So let's run through that again. Basically your left hand is going from middle C, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but instead of a white key with 2, we're playing the black key. So let's see that again. 1, 2, 3, 5. Okay. For the next bit, we just move our little finger down 1 note onto E, and we go. No other finger should have moved, so we're still. So that's only the little finger moving. And we have 4 now. So just 4, 1. So let's look at that again. It'll be 5. Skipping this note, 4 here. Then move your left hand back to the low C position. So 1 and 5, 3 and 1 together. So that last line on the left hand alone is middle C, B flat, A, F, down 1 with only your little finger, E, then G, C, move down to low C position, 1 and 5, 3 and 1. So up to speed, last line will sound like this. So that's an alternate left hand for Ode to Joy. Okay, good luck with that.